Configuring vectors using UMA Estate Manager and Vision. Using UMA's Estate Manager, select the sensor you are going to configure. Click on Settings and then on Counting. Select the Devices button and then click Go Live. Click the yellow pencil icon to edit and calibrate the sensor. Click Auto Detect on height and refresh tilt on the direction angle. Then close the Edit Device mode. We're now going to set up the line registers, which are for people entering and exiting the space. Click the Registers button in the top right corner, click the plus. There is already an out register which uses the line type, which is the line that is crossed to count people exiting the space. So we're going to add a line which we use to count people entering the space. This line will be named In. Click Next through the menu and click Add Register. We now have a line which registers counting people coming into the space, which is green, and then a red line to count people going out of the space. This time we're adding an occupancy register counter. Name the register Occupancy. Click Next. Under Occupancy Inputs, tick the In line. And under Occupancy Outputs, tick Out. Under Reset Timeout Value, enter 7,200 seconds. And untick the Wait Time Register Enabled. Click Add Register. Now we're going to edit and move the in and out lines. Click the toggle at the top of the menu to use edit mode. You can resize and move the lines by click and dragging on the anchor points at the end of the lines. Toggle off edit mode to view the lines in video mode. Now we're going to use the MQTT broker settings. Here we can find the ID to set up the sensor in UMA Vision. Scroll down to the address and copy the sensor ID, which is the sensor serial number, as shown on the screen and also at the top of the interface. Next we'll need to open UMA Vision and click on Manage, then Devices, then click Add Device. Click the UMA logo and then click Select UMA People Count Sensor from the drop-down menu. Click Next. Copy and paste the sensor ID. Give the sensor a name and allocate it to the correct building and the resource, which can be a zone, a room, or other resource from the drop-down menu. Then click Add.